हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो बेटा आप सब लोग। सो टुडे वी डिस्कस यूनिट नंबर 2, lecture number 9, and we discuss about differentiation rule. In the previous lecture we already discussed what is differentiation, how to differentiation term will be explained and read it, and graphical representation of differentiation. So in the previous lecture we also discussed the two rules already and some example on that topic. So today we discuss the rules of differentiation. So first differentiation rule that already we discussed, that is d by dx. It means differentiation of constant, that value will be equal to 0. In detail we already discussed in the previous lecture. Okay. Another, that is differentiation of cu, where u is the function of x. Okay. So constant outside, so du by dx, that is also already discussed with example. If we solve the differentiation of two or three quantity which are present in plus or minus, like u plus v plus w, or like u minus v minus w, or so on, so that differentiation of that term individually, so du by dx plus dv by dx plus minus dw by dx. That concept is also we read on previous lecture. So differentiation of x power n, so that is power forward and power x power minus 1, that is n minus 1. Another rule, that is product rule, u into v, so that is differentiation of u into v, that is first same derivative of second term, that is v, plus second same derivative of first term. So these 5 rules of the differentiation. Further, in next, another rule, that is the quotient rule. Quotient rule say that if the y equal to u by v, so differentiation of y with respect to x, that is d by dx u by v, that formula is second same derivative of first, यानी कि du by dx, minus first same derivative of second, that is dv by dx, divided by v square. Another rule, that is chain rule, that say that dy upon dx, that value will be equal to dy by du into du by dx. Both terms are numerically equal to each other, because in right side du multiply and du divide. If we cancel du by dx, in that case dy by dx. Another extension of chain rule is also d by dx, that value will equal to u की power n power forward un minus 1 du by dx. Okay. So similarly, differentiation formula for algebraical function and trigonometrical function, like differentiation of sin x, that is cos x, differentiation of cos x, that is minus sin x, differentiation of tan x, that is secant square x, differentiation of cot x, that is minus cosecant square x, differentiation of secant x, that is secant x tan x, differentiation of cosecant x, that is minus cosecant x cot x, differentiation of exponential की power x, that is ex, differentiation of a की power x, that is a की power x log e a, differentiation of log x, that is 1 by x. These are the general rules. In previous lecture we also discussed some rules and example on that rules. So for the one by one we discuss rules with detail with example. Okay students, so we start next. In previous lecture the example number 1 is already solved. and that is your homework of example number 2. We solve the example number 2, which is based on the sum rules. So example number 2 say that y equal to 1 by x plus 6x minus 4x to the power 3 by 2 plus 18. Okay, so that is the value of y. According to question say that differentiate on it. So differentiate. So d by dx of y, it means derivative of y with respect to x. So substitute the value of y. So d by dx, bracket start 1 by x plus 6x minus 4x to the power 3 by 2 plus 18. So we multiply individually derivative d by dx into 1 by x plus d by dx into 6x minus d by dx 4x to the power 3 by 2 plus d by dx into 18. Okay. So we also know 1 by x is also rewrite x to the power minus 1. So we further rewrite. 6 is constant term outside the derivative. If 6 is multiplied for variable, in that case the differentiation is non-zero. If only a single term which is constant, in that case derivative will be 0. So 6 outside the derivative 6. So d by dx x minus, similarly 4 constant outside, d by dx x to the power 3 by 2. 18 is number system. We also discussed in the previous lecture. 18 is number and number is remains constant. So derivative constant is 0. So we write 0. So x to the power minus 1. The rule is x to the power n. So apply the rule of power x to the power n. Power forward. So power minus 1. Power forward, that is minus 1. So x minus 1 plus 6. Apply further rule. x की पावर 1. x की पावर यदि आपके पास कोई ना हो, इसका क्लियर सा मीनिंग है x की पावर 1. पावर फॉरवर्ड 1 आगे. पावर माइनस 1 इंटू x की पावर 1 minus 1. Okay. So we further write. We say that x, that means is also x की पावर 1. Apply the power rule. Power forward and power minus 1. That is 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So 1 x to the power 0. And something power 0, that value is also 1. That's why that solution is 1. That's why we write in that case 6 into 1. Minus 4 forward. Minus 4 into further apply the power rule. Power forward, that is 3 by 2. X to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. So solve this solution, and that solution is equal to 4. Okay, student, we discuss next. So we discuss the chain rule. Chain rule say that chain rule is basically based on the example. In order to differentiate a function of a function y equal to f function of gx. It means y is a function of g, that is function of x, to find dy by dx. We apply the chain rule. So do two things. Number one, substitution method, that is substitute. For example, if we substitute the value of gx, that value will be equal to u. Then we write the equation, that is y equal to fu. Next, we need to use the formula that is known in chain rule. We know very well, dy by dx, du say multiply, du say divide, and that's why that term is also rewrite like this. Okay, so solve the example on that topic. For example, y is equal to cos x square. Y is equal to cos x square. Okay, so we assume that u is equal to x square. So substitute the value of x square, so we write y equal to cos u. Differentiate with these two terms with respect to x. With respect to x, u equal to x square, so du by dx, that will be equal to, apply the power rule, power forward, power minus 1. So 2x, 2 minus 1, that is 2x. So differentiation of y equal to cos u, so dy by du. Differentiation of cos, that is minus sin u. We know very well that is the chain rule. Apply the value dy by du, that is minus sin u. Du by dx, that is ux. Multiply the value, that is the your solution. Next example, y equal to cos square x. That is also rewrite cos x square. So substitute the value of cos x, that is u. So y equal to u square. Differentiate these two terms. So derivative of u equal to cos x with respect to x. So rewrite du by dx. Cos का differentiation minus sin. Y equal to u square. So dy by du. Apply the power rule. Power forward. Power minus 1 to u. That is the formula. Substitute these both value, and that is your solution. And next, that is next example, based on the property of product rule, that is y equal to uv. Product rule says that dy by dx, that will be equal to first same derivative of second dv by dx plus second same derivative of first. For example, y equal to x square cos x. In that case, first term is x square, second term is cos x. First term is x square and second term is cos x. So, u equal to x square, first term, and v equal to cos x. So, apply the rule. Derivative of both these terms. So, u equal to x square. With respect to x differentiation करते हैं तो क्या होगा बेटा? du by dx. Apply the power rule, power forward, power minus 1, that is 2x. v equal to cos x क्या करेंगे तो dv upon dx. cos का डिफरेंशिएशन का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? माइनस साइन एक्स. डेरिवेटिव का फॉर्मूला ये है. सब्स्टिट्यूट दी वैल्यू. u की वैल्यू आपको पता है, dv अपॉन dx की वैल्यू भी गिवन है, v की वैल्यू गिवन है, du upon dx की वैल्यू गिवन है. Substitute the data and solve it. Another example, that is, फर्दर हम बात करते हैं एक और दूसरे एग्जाम्पल के साथ. y इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब 4 माइनस एक्स की पावर 1/2. In that case, first term x cube, that is assume u equal to x cube. Second term 4 minus x की power 1/2, that is p 4 minus x की power 1/2. So derivative of first term क्या होगा? पावर फॉरवर्ड पावर माइनस 1 तो 3x square. Derivative of second term, power forward, that is 1/2. 4 minus x, power minus 1. So 1/2 minus 1, that is minus 1/2. Okay. And inside 4 is a constant. So derivative of 4, 0. And derivative of x, minus x. तो माइनस एक्स का डेरिवेटिव करोगे तो वापिस से रूल क्या लगा बेटा? माइनस एक्स की पावर कितनी है आपके पास? एक्स की पावर 1 है. इनसाइड की बात कर रहे हैं, बाहर का तो कर चुके हैं अब. तो एक्स की पावर 1 का यदि आपको करना है तो अभी हमने बात की थी, पावर फॉरवर्ड और पावर माइनस 1. 1 minus 1 0, एक्स की पावर 0, 1 एक्स की पावर 0, किसी की पावर 0, दैट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 1. लेकिन यहाँ आगे माइनस है, इसलिए आपके पास क्या आया? -1 आया. ठीक है. So we know very well that formula. You know what is the value of u. You know what is the value of dv by dx. You know what is v, what is du by dx. Substitute the value and solve the data. So that is represent your solution. Okay बेटा. तो नेक्स्ट देखिएगा, आप इसको प्रोसेस कीजिए. नेक्स्ट, that is also chain rule form, like if x equal to 2at square and y equal to t की पावर 3, x एंड y टर्म है, a कांस्टेंट है t टाइम, देन फाइंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ dy बाई dt। तो देखिए x equal to 2at square, a is a constant and t is time, so differentiate that term with respect to time, so dx upon dt, so dy by dt x की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट की 2at square, 2a कांस्टेंट बार t स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन पावर आगे, पावर में -1, तो दैट इज द सॉल्यूशन। फर्दर dy अपॉन dt का करते हैं, तो dy by dt t क्यूब पावर आगे, पावर में -1। हमें करना क्या है, dy by dx। यदि हम बेटा ये आपके पास इक्वेशन 2 है या आपके पास इक्वेशन 1 है, इक्वेशन 2 डिवाइड बाई इक्वेशन 1, ठीक है, तो आपके पास dt से dt कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए दोनों वैल्यू को, तो ये आपका क्या आ गया, सॉल्यूशन आ गया कि dy बाई dx इक्वल टू क्या है, 4at डिवाइड बाई 3t स्क्वायर, दैट इज 4a डिवाइड बाई 3t। ओके, सो फर्दर एक्सरसाइज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है ये आपके पास पावर रूल्स का, जिसको हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, तो ये आपके लिए होमवर्क है कि x की पावर 2/3 का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा आप सोल्व कीजिए और मेरे पास व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कीजिए, और वापस से 1/x की पावर 4 का डेरिवेटिव आपके पास क्या होगा, तो इसको आपको ट्राई करना है। लास्ट आपके पास ये 6 क्वेश्चन है बेटा, इन क्वेश्चंस को आप ट्राई कीजिए और आपका जो भी राइट आंसर है वो कमेंट कीजिए मेरे को कि फर्स्ट ऑप्शन का सर ये आंसर आएगा, सेकंड का ये, थर्ड का ये, तो आप कमेंट करके मुझे आंसर बताइए कि इन 6 क्वेश्चन का किसका आंसर आपके पास क्या आएगा। ठीक है स्टूडेंट, तो आज का लेक्चर हम यहीं पे ओवर करते हैं बेटा। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।